Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use AI real-time translation feature on your Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro. So, first of all, we're gonna have to make sure that the tablet is updated to the latest version. To do that, go to Settings, then go to About Tablet, select Xiaomi HyperOS to check your version, and if you have no updates available, then you are good to go and start real-life translation. To use this feature, you're gonna need to have a stable internet connection, and to activate it, swipe down the control center, tap on this icon that looks like two profile icons on top of each other, and if you don't have it here, just tap Edit, and then find this toggle in here and tap on it to add it to your control center. Then tap OK. Tap on this icon, and then you'll be able to start translating the conversation by tapping on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen, of course, after selecting the languages you want to translate. Or you can use face-to-face translation if you tap right here and switch to face-to-face, and then you'll be able to speak English from the person you're communicating with will be able to start speaking English from this side, and the person sitting here will be able to speak Chinese, and the translator will translate the conversation in real time. So basically, in order to start the translation, you just have to start speaking in your own language to the tablet, and
你只需要开始用自己的语言和平板交流，而且
and the translation will appear on the screen. Now you can also you don't even have to switch languages in order to start speaking. So if you just press the microphone button and say something like "ni hao," then it will translate. Translate whatever you're saying depending on the language that you're speaking, or or the person you're conversating with speaking. You can also adjust the translation settings by tapping on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and selecting whether you want to play translation or not, whether you want the language recognition and auto translating optionally. And you can also select what playback tone you would like to use for this translation, as well as adjusting the speed, as well as you can adjust the speed by moving this circle to the right to make the speech faster, or to the left to make it slower. And so yeah, that's basically how you use this feature. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.